Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment key of 8th standard for the date 30th June 2020 for the topic Polar Region. Here we have the first question, children. Why do you think people probably always did not live in Tundra region? Yes, we all well known that if we go through about in a pictorial part, Tundra region is far away from the equator where both the north and south poles has been taken. Here children, nearby the polar regions, we have about the Tundra region, Tundra vegetation has been taken. Here the question is about why do you think people probably always did not live in Tundra region? Just imagine children, if we have about cool climate, is that possible to survive? No, it is not possible. That is the first reason is about harsh climatic conditions. The first one is about harsh climatic conditions. Because of cool temperature completely, the people are not able to survive their complete year. Second reason, earlier we discussed that for 6 months it will completely dark and another 6 months it will be day. As if this is a situation, it is not possible to go through cultivating of the crops and it is not possible to survive there continuously. That is the reason the people in Tundra region doesn't live continuously. Clear children? We are moving to the second question. Coming to the second one. Explain the religious beliefs of Eskimos. I repeat the question, children. Explain the religious beliefs of Eskimos. As we all know that the people who are all living in polar regions, where we call them as Eskimos. Yes, what are all the beliefs? Beliefs here in the sense, they believe on one thing. In the first one, they believe on the spirits. They strongly believe that after the death of a human being has been taken, again the rebirth is going to be taken. So, first one is about the spirit and the second one is about starvation of the death, sickness. If any person, all of this suddenly, if he fell or he is not feeling ill, immediately they strongly believe that some negative sources have been affected or the power of the negative has been taken on the person. So such type of the beliefs are strongly taken by the polar region people, Eskimos. Clear children? Like the death, after the death of the person, again the rebirth is going to be taken part, and again about the sickness. Clear children? So we are moving to the next question now. Try to recall. Yes, it's very important question, children. Again, it has been repeated. Try to recall what happens as we move away from the equator. Yes, I have a question for you people. If in our regular days, if we take an example of summer, just imagine in the mid-noon after 12 o'clock, is that possible to move away from our house where the temperature is from 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. So it is somewhat difficult to move from our house to outside of the location. Yes. In the same pattern, now we are coming to the question, what happens when we move far away from the equator? Question is about recall what happens when we move far away from the equator. As we all know that completely, as in Earth is in a tilted pattern. The 0 degree latitude is about the equator. The sun rays directly falls on the 0 degree latitude. Clear, children? What happens when the sun rays directly falls on the 0 degree latitude? The temperature is going to be increased. So we move away from the equator, the temperature constantly, or it is going to reduce. Why? What is the reason? We are far away from the equator. If we are far away from any type of the heat object or heat substance, what happens? We feel some cooling. Coolness is going to be taken. So in the same pattern here, if we move away from the equator, the temperature gradually decreases. Clear, children? So we are moving to the next question now. Coming to the next one. Who are called shamans? The fourth question, here we have the question, who are called shamans? Here the shamans are none other than people skilled in performing rituals. So the people who are all skilled in performing rituals are called as shamans. Clear, children? The like rituals in the sense about their beliefs, about their culture. There are some, if we go through about the tribal areas, the people go through celebrating about their god or goddesses and some dances, groups, each and everything. So such type of the thing, the people who are all performing their rituals are called as shamans. We are moving to the last question, children. Who are Eskimos? Yeah, children, in earlier assignments, we have been gone through learning a different answers for the word Eskimo. As in earlier question, what is the meaning of an Eskimo? Snowshoe netter is called as an Eskimo. Earlier, in simple terminology, we can say that Eskimo in the sense, the people who are all surviving or living in the polar region are called as Eskimos. Coming to the, what are all the regions? The people who are scattered in Greenland, Canada, Alaska, and Siberia. Clear, children? The people who are all scattered in the locations like the countries like Greenland, Canada, Alaska, and Siberia. In these areas, we find the people named as Eskimos. Clear, children? I hope you enjoyed the session. Have a nice day. Thank you.